Hello, and welcome to Comm 100 Introduction to Public Speaking. I'm your professor for this freshman level class. I'm Kelsey Johnson, and what I want to do in this video is kind of walk you through what our class page is going to look like so that you can navigate a little bit easier and get your feet wet doing what I need you to do throughout this semester. So on our homepage, which you're looking at right now, you will notice I have a section for announcements, and each week I will keep that updated. For the purposes of Comm Studies 605, I am starting on week 4 with persuasive speeches, so that's why I have this up there the way it is. On my announcements, I'll make sure that I put any important deadlines and all of that stuff on there so it's easy for you to see right there and you don't have to navigate through anything. And then on the bottom in the footer of every page is my contact information and pretend office hours. So what we want to do from this page is over in the upper right. If you click on that, you can go to each of the modules. For this class, except for Module 1 and Module 8, each module is 2 weeks long. And what we're doing for the purposes of this final project is Module 4, Persuasive Speeches. So when you click on that, it will take you to that page within it. And then we can scroll down, and it's going to take a minute because I have a lot of information on there. So I will post for you in each of the modules the required readings and then any relevant hyperlinks to take you to rubrics or links that I have embedded within the directions and everything. So I break it down because it's a 2-week module, what you should get done in the first week and then what you should do in the second week. For the purposes of this class, what I'm doing is note that Fridays are important dates for you on the first week of the module. That is when you'll have any annotated bibliographies or outlines for your paper or your speeches that you need to get turned in. So you can look through that. If you have any questions on what I want you to do or you're confused about something, please email me. And then during the second week, I have that outlined here for you. That's the speech week, and you're required to do a recorded speech with 7 to 10 people watching you. And then I have the rubric that you can access there for both the speech itself and then the responses that you'll do in regards to those speeches. So each week that we have a speech going on, Wednesday is your deadline to upload all of the video links or anything regarding the actual speech. And then you need to do 2 listener responses that I will assign you what classmates that you will respond to so that everybody is getting responses. Those are going to be due on Fridays. And then you need to do a self-reflection response, and you are welcome to use the listener response from your classmates when you write your self-reflections, but you're not required to. And those are going to be due on Saturdays. So for the first week of the module, your important deadline date is Friday. The second week of the module, your important deadline dates are Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And then if I have any videos or other information, that is also all on the same page. And I designed it so that you can kind of just go through and tick off each thing, and it's in order, it's in logical order of how you should do the assignments. But if you want to skip around, you're welcome to skip around, I guess. I won't know. Just make sure you get everything that you need to have uploaded and ready to go. For the purposes of Comm Study 605 assignment, I don't have a discussion thread or a discussion board because it's on a Google website. If I had a LMS, I would have each module would have its own discussion board, and then there would be threads under that for the students to post to, and I would walk them through how to use that. but on Google Sites I don't have that access. So if you have any questions or further information that you need about Comm 100, please let me know via email or stop by my office hours. And all of that, again, is posted at the very bottom of the website. Hope you have a great semester. Thank you guys, and have a great day.